Suppose that the salary of a person who worked at a company for 5 years is $37,000, and after 10 years, how much more per year did the person make? If this problem had said, how much more did the person make, then it would just be a simple subtraction problem of the 42,500 and the 37,000. However, it's not how much more did the person make, it says how much more per year did the person make. The difference there is per implies a fraction. So not only is it the difference in how much they made, but it also includes the difference of what? Years, number of years. So we're going to set it up as a fraction. This fraction that you'll see may look familiar to you. So we can say they went from $37,000 to $42,500. They had the $37,000 after 5 years, and they had the $42,500 after 10 years. It does not matter which one you do first or second, as long as you're consistent. The 37,000 goes with the 5, and the 42,500 goes with the 10. So if we do the 37,000 minus 420, 42,500, and then divide by, in this case, negative 5, what value do we get for x? What value do we get? 1,100? 1,100. Well, let's put interpretation of this. We know that's in dollars per year. So assuming that this relationship was linear between the amount of time that they worked and the amount they earned, then we would say that every year they earned $1,100 more per year. As it just turns out, this is a big topic. This is called an average rate of change. Does this look familiar to you? Have you seen that formula before in a 1200 class? It's slope. This is basically your formula for slope. The word slope is for linear functions. When you have something that's not linear, you can call it an average rate of change. It's going to have a third name in a second. In a second? Not today. Okay, later on. I'm not kidding. So the average rate of change of f of x, I'll put it here, with respect to x, for a function as x changes from a to b is given by, so again, this is just your slope formula. Remember, slope was change in y over change in x. So for us, we would just say f of b minus f of a. So that's your change in y over the change in x, b minus a. So when you think average rate of change, just think slope. The formula looks a little bit different, but it means the exact same thing. Another name for the average rate of change is also the difference quotient. And sadly, it has another name after that. Hooray. But we'll get to that later. So let's do another example.